All right, students. So today I'll be going over how to submit um, and copy and paste your link for your project if you are using Adobe Spark. So here we're on Adobe Spark, and what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and press share, and you're going to press publish. Okay. Then you're going to go ahead and put in your title, which will be the components of fitness. Once you've done that, you're going to create link. Okay. And when you create that link, what you are going to do is you're going to copy that link, okay? And it takes a while here, but for the sake of the video, just know that the link, it's going to go ahead and load a link. You're going to copy that link, and you're going to go ahead and we could wait a little bit. Let's see if it goes through here. Yeah, we'll go ahead and move on. So once you have the link, a link will pop up. You'll copy that. Here it is. You'll copy that link. You press copy. You'll come over to Google Classroom. You'll go all the way down to week 7. Oh, sorry, your week 7's here. You're going to go ahead and go to week 7, 10/19 to 10/25. You're going to go ahead and turn in your fitness plan project here. You'll click on the form. You'll type in your first name, your last name, your grade, and then you'll paste the link, and then you'll submit. Okay, so remember again, you're here, you're going to copy your link. Once you publish it, you're going to go ahead and go to Google Classroom. You're going to find week 7. You're going to click on turn in your fitness plan project. It'll take you to, you'll click on this Google form. You'll type in your first name, your last name, your grade, and you'll paste the link to your project here. Do not forget that you also have to do a Flipgrid response, okay, that you have to submit. And the questions are regarding how well the project was, what was hard, what was easy, things of that sort. So make sure you turn in that as part of the ultimate assessment as well. If you guys have any further questions, you guys know you can email me at any time. Have a great day.